And welcome back, everybody, to Broader Financial Future. Hopefully, you're having an amazing day so far, afternoon, morning, evening, night. Whenever you're watching the video, hopefully your moment is amazing. And here's to a broader financial future. Now, on today's video, I'm going to talk about the mindset buying the dip. So on Monday, everything was red. The stock was looking horrible. And I'm going to talk about the mindset to buy the dip. Now, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned. And we are back. Now, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes only, and any investment may involve risk. I'm just sharing my personal journey and experience. So let's jump into today's video. So as you can see here, I have a Yahoo Finance chart of some stocks that I bought on Monday. So as you can see, the week prior, the line is up, and then you see that dip. That's when I decided to buy VTRS. Now, if you don't know what VTRS is, I'm going to put a link somewhere in the video. That way you can kind of watch the video of what that company is and why I like that company. And luckily for me, as you can see, in the last 2 days, the stock has actually risen and went up. So that's a positive, but I wasn't expecting to go up so soon. To be honest, when I woke up, I was planning to buy. I had a list of companies that I wanted to put money into. This was one of them. I didn't expect the stock market to be red that entire day. It was kind of nerve-wracking, but I did my analysis and I believed in the stock and I bought it because I already did my research and it was a great buying opportunity. Unfortunately, it only lasted for a day, but I was able to get some shares at a discounted rate, and it was definitely at a discount. So I got it. It's still actually at a discount, but it was definitely at a discount on Monday. Now, this right here, we watched any of my videos, is definitely one of my favorite stocks, and that's MPW. It's a REIT. It's in the REIT space. I'll put a link here somewhere in the video where I discuss more about this particular stock. But overall, this is a REIT, and both of these companies pay a high dividend. In this particular company, I was meaning to buy more. They had a dip, so I bought some. I really thought this dip was going to last a little bit longer. I wasn't sure it was going to be like the crash everybody's keep on talking about. But for me, I was looking for companies that I believe have a nice dividend yield because I'm looking for companies going to pay me a dividend, which VTRS and MPW, both companies pay a dividend. And I did my research on both companies, so I knew when I bought them on Monday, nothing changed with the fundamentals of the company. Everything, for the most part, was red. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy the dip. Because I did my research, and I've been in this situation before where the market's red, you're feeling down, you lost a lot of money, you don't know if the market's going to continue to go down, is it a skid, is it going to recover? You just don't know, especially now with inflation. A lot of people are buying stocks on margin, so you don't know what direction things are going to go. So let me just show you here. These are some of my buys I bought on Monday. So as you can see, I did buy these companies, MPW and VTRS, and I was already a stockholder as well. But to be honest, when you're buying stocks, especially when you own these companies, because I already own these companies. So for example, on Friday, they were like say $14 and $21, and then on Monday they're like down huge, and you're like, man, do I want to buy these stocks still? See, if you look going back here, you can see they were up and they took a dip. Both MPW and especially VTRS. VTRS took a huge kind of like tumble from Friday to Monday. So At the end of the day, it is extremely scary stuff buying stuff in the red. But one of the things that helped me out, uh, make sure I bought these companies is like I said, I've done the research. I believe in these companies. I believe in these stocks in a long haul. I'm not trying to get rich overnight. I was looking for dividend yield, and I knew my purpose. It's important to know when you're buying stuff and when there's a sell. When there's a sell, you just got to jump on it. It's scary when you see the dip, but if you believe in a product, you got to jump on it. Now, if you don't believe in a product, you don't know anything about this company, or why you're buying it, I wouldn't recommend buying anything like that, because whenever I bought something I don't really understand, even if it's at a discount, if it would have went red again a second or third day, then you start questioning your decision of why did I buy this particular stock? Why did I buy this particular cryptocurrency? You start to kind of doubt your decisions. But when you've done the research and you believe in something, you start to realize, especially when you've been in this game long enough, oh, things are red. This is a good time to buy. It's tough sometimes, especially like as when your account starts becoming larger. You're talking about people losing hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on a red day, millions of dollars. You know what I mean? So it's I would like to be in a position to be in the millions, but you know that's a lot of money to be red. So those are like some of my final thoughts about that is: one, do your research; two, know why you're buying; and three, whenever it happens, because sometimes it does, when it's red, you have to know when it's on sale. It's like going to the store and your favorite outfit's on sale. Sometimes the company may be going that particular store may be going out of business, but at the end of the day, there's still Nike shoes, and Nike is still valuable. Um, you just have to know what you're buying, and that's going to make a huge difference in the confidence you're going to have buying a company when it's red versus buying a company when it's red when you don't have the knowledge or research. Luckily, I made those decisions. I was hoping for at least 1 or 2 more days being in the red because I definitely wanted to buy more. Uh, I didn't have enough at the time on Monday to just kind of like load up the way that I wanted to. As a dividend investor, red days are discounted days. They're lovely days where you get higher yield on cost when it comes to these dividend stocks. But yeah, let me know. Did you guys load up on any stocks on Monday, or did you just say, you know what, everything is red? I'm just gonna put the phone down, or put your device, or however you buy stocks, and just forget it. Because at the end of the day, that can be a good strategy too. Because sometimes when things are red, you just want to sell because you start to panic and you just don't want to do anything. Um, but let me know your thoughts. Like, did you panic sell? Did you hold? Did you buy anything? What is your mindset of when it comes to buying the dip? These are just some of the thoughts that I go through when I see the dip, especially when you look at last year, 2020, it was a huge dip. Great opportunities in the market. You were getting basically Disney on pennies on the dollar. Um, Tesla, Apple. You bought some of these companies and held on to it for a year. You're killing it today. So that's why quality companies matter. And that's pretty much all I gotta say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And until next time, everybody, have a good one. Hopefully, all your stocks are doing well. Peace.